All right, guys, we got a GE refrigerator here, side by side, and we're on water. When you press the water, if you hear this click, pay attention. That means the board is sending power to the valve, but we're not getting any water. So we're gonna first start down here, remove the kick panel, and I'll show you what to do. All right, I'm gonna remove the kick panel. And I'm gonna disconnect this, put a towel under it, and you're gonna squeeze and pull. All right, so now we're gonna get a cup, and we're gonna see if we're getting water coming in. And that's gonna guarantee or confirm that we're frozen here. So let me get a cup. All right, guys, so with some help, you're gonna have someone press the water in the door and also the light switch. Make sure that is depressed. All right, go ahead and press for me. As you can see, we have water, so everything is working except the water's not going up to the door. So we're gonna show you how to do that. Oh, wow, look, blast out pretty quickly. You saw it? Usually it takes a little bit. That's pretty good. Nice. All right, so we're nice and clear. So now we're gonna reconnect back. Make sure you squeeze it in. See where the mark is? All right, so now let's check again. We're in water. Let's check. Just like that. And I would say run a couple, maybe like a gallon or so through it, in case if there's any ice in the line, it will clean it out. And every so often, make sure you use the water. Like if you take a while and you don't use it, at least once a day, so the water does not freeze in the door. Normally when you go away and you leave it like that, that's what causes that.